Hello everyone, welcome to Trains on Tuesday. This week I have a little update on the video that I bought you on June 4th, my Kitmaster and Airfix models that I've built. Plus just a little more. So, quick sip of my tea here from the mug that I got from Lori, and we'll get right into it. Lovely. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is that I had mentioned extending this edge here, and as part of the packing from the bathroom materials, I've got some 4-inch wide plywood. Just enough to go all the way down there. 4 inches. That'll be beautiful. Perfect. Now, amongst the items that I showed you on June 4th were my Rosebud Kitmaster rocket, in need of repairs. It's been an ongoing project to get this rebuilt. I built it when I was 10 or 12. Anyway, that's the first one that I want to mention today. Also, my Airfix prairie tank, that was included. My Sterling 8-foot single, I showed you that. All of these roll really nicely. And I also showed you my American General. Let's have a look inside the box today. We didn't before. Inside here I have a little Kitmaster catalog showing the range as of the date, which was 1958 or 59 according to that. Right down in the corner there. I don't know if I can get that focused or not, but anyway, it does say that the Battle of Britain class will be available November 59. There we go. Also in there are the transfers or decals. The instruction sheet for the General, and the unbuilt General herself. And as I said, I don't think I'll ever be building that one. So why am I showing you those again today? Well, on Saturday the 13th of July, I called in at my hobby shop, and I came out of there with a new rocket. New to me. Beautifully done. Little different treatment to mine. I have a black firebox. This one has a copper firebox. And a few other details. I blacked the wheels out on mine, and as part of my restoration I'm trying now to get some of the black off. This one, they were never blacked. In addition to that, absolutely gorgeous, this one's a Rosebud Kitmaster. It's been lined out in orange. I didn't do that on the one that I built, but I might do it now. Absolutely beautifully done, and in a better green than what I used. This one seems to be more the proper Brunswick green. And it is a Rosebud Kitmaster. This box, I got at a show last October. Just an empty box. But hey, hey, hey. Now I've got a box. A Kitmaster box for a Kitmaster loco. I think you can guess what's coming up next. None of these roll quite as well as mine, the ones that I built. But another sterling 8-foot single. Mine in the apple green. This one was left green plastic and then just details done. I don't know what happened to the transfers of the decals on mine. I may not ever have had them. Sometimes these things showed up without any in the boxes. Anyway, this one's had different treatment. I did black underframe on mine. This one's got a brown underframe. Cab detail has been done very nice. I don't think we'll quite get enough light in there to catch that. The front plate was left green on this one, whereas on mine, the one I built, I blacked it. I haven't done the wheel detail on here yet either, but this one's been done. Nicely blacked in the centers. Okay, on to the next. Well, there's the old General, unbuilt in her box. And I'm quite sure you know what's coming up the track now. Not rolling, at least not very well. But there we have a genuine Rosebud Kitmaster, early American General, Western and Atlantic Railroad. Again, absolutely gorgeously done. These are going to be shelf models, that's for sure. Now, in addition to that, and I'm hoping somebody is going to be able to help me out with this, because I have looked through all the trying information and the Hornby information that I can find, and I find no reference to this at all. It's the basic Freightliner wagon, but the containers on it, if I can get the focus, the containers on it are for Milwaukee Road. And not only that, but it's got horn hook couplers on it, which I thought at first were perhaps a conversion done by the modeler, the owner. But looking at it more closely, that is a purpose-built converter. And when I say purpose-built, I mean factory-built. It's got holes in it there for the pins that would normally hold the tension lock coupler. And like I say, I can't find that in any catalog. So I'm hoping that somebody seeing this video will be able to help me out with that. And rounding off the entire purchase, I got 5 pieces of Series 3 Triang Track. This is R193, and these are so crisp and clean, they are like brand new. So there we go. Another short little video this week, and hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you'll join me again next week for another Trains on Tuesday. Bye for now, everyone.